In this video, we're going to talk about how to print checks. The reason that we are having a separate video for this is there are some certain circumstances where you might not just go straight into pay bills and print your check right there. You might want to keep it in a queue until the end of the business day so that you can go put your checks in your printer without having anybody else accidentally print over them. Or you might need to print paychecks on one roll of checks and then switch it out and print your normal bill payments on another. Or you might need to alter your date if you're going to go on vacation into your accounts payable person. And so you're going to print some checks for this week and then also print the checks that need to be mailed out next week so that your, whoever's filling in for you can send out those checks next week without having to print them. Okay, so there's a whole bunch of different reasons why you might want to do this. So we're going to use the example that you're going on vacation because that's the fun one, right? So for now, this week, we're going to pay all bills due before 10/25 or 12/25. And we see all these different bills in here. All right. I think it's a little confused because this is a demo file. Obviously, this is after 12/25. Oh, this is show all bills. I'm sorry. Show all before 12/25. So these are the ones I'm going to send out and date 12/15 because I need to go ahead and print these this week. So I'm going to go ahead and say print bills, pay selected bills. Okay. And right here where it says print checks, I'm going to say, no, wait a second, please. I want to pay some more bills. All right, now, instead of showing them all before 12/25, I'm going to go out 1 week and say all of them before January 1st because somebody needs to send these out next week when I'm on vacation. So I'm going to go ahead and check off all of these bills. Okay, I'll just check off the top little bit of them. And I'm going to change the payment date to be 12/22 because that's when I'm on vacation, and go ahead and say print checks. All right. Now I'm all done. From here, I can go in and print checks, but I'm going to show you a different way. Up under the File menu, you can go down here to Print Forms and Print Checks. It'll pop up for you. If you've had checks to be printed out of this bank account or this bank account, they would all show up here. I'm paying them out of the checking account. So notice too, it tells me the dates. Here's the checks on 12/15. Here's the checks that will be printed with the date 12/22. And then I can go ahead and say print. Say okay, and it'll print out those checks.